I want to show you this scooter. This scooter, I bought it for my children, and you can see what it looks like. So you can extend it up, likewise adjust it, so you can extend it. If you want to extend it, just need to press this, then bring it up, then put this back, likewise the handle, press this to remove the handle and see what it looks like. So push it is in, so adjustable handle and height. You see, I think its maximum kg is 50 kg. You can see this is pull to fold. So if you want to fold it, you pull here, pull it up, then unfold it. So you can see this is scooter. If you want to start to use it, pull it up and release. So yeah, this is scooter. I love this. It's for my children and they love it. I bought this online, so you can see what it looks like. The wheels, you see, yeah. Scooter. Very much happy with it, and my children love this scooter. Bought it long time ago, a good one, and yeah, highly recommended. And the good thing is you can fold it, you can see, very easy to maneuver. 5 years and above to use this. You can see what it looks like. I'm very much happy with it. You can adjust it, you can extend it, you can fold it, so you can pull and fold. Scooter deserves your attention. Highly recommended. Thank you.